Ethiopia's Madamar-inspired foreign policy pursues peace through multilateral cooperation and good neighborliness. We have an old saying, በሰላም እንድታድር ጎረቤትህ ሰላም ይደር ዮ ኦላን ነገያም ብሎ Thank you. Yo ollan nagambule, nagambulani. It is a saying. Thank you. It is a saying shared in many African languages, which means for you to have a peaceful night, your neighbor shall have a peaceful night as well. The sense of this proverb guides the strengthening of relations in the region. We now strive to live with our neighbors in peace and harmony. The Horn of Africa today is a region of strategic significance. The global military superpowers are expanding their military presences in the area. Terrorist and extremist groups also seek to establish a foothold. We don't want the Horn to be a battleground for superpowers nor a hideout for the merchants of terror and brokers of despair and misery. We want the Horn of Africa to become a treasury of peace and progress. Indeed, we want the Horn of Africa to become the horn of plenty for the rest of the continent. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as a global community, we must invest in peace. Over the past few months, Ethiopia has made historic investments in peace, the returns of which we will see in years to come. We have released all political prisoners. We have shut down detention facilities where torture and vile human rights abuses took place. Today, Ethiopia is highly regarded for press freedom. It is no more a jailer of journalists. Opposition leaders of all political stripes are free